Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you a Valentine's Day card. I am participating in a collaboration that is hosted by Maria and Sue, both here on YouTube. I will leave the link to their YouTube channel in my description box below so you can go check them out, as well as all the other ladies who are participating in this collaboration. It is a secret Valentine card swap collaboration, and you can follow along and see all the different cards that all of the participants have made. You'll find them, like I said, in my description box below. So let's get started. I have these backgrounds I have had. I used some scrap pieces of paper, and you can see they're made out of strips, and I just adhered them to a card base that was 4 by 5 1/4. Actually, I think they're 3 3/4 by 5. I did use some paper out of this paper pack. It was from last year, in a club card kit I received from the Stamps of Life. And so I've used a number of papers. I also thought I'd use this die. I did not end up using that card base, but I did use the heart that's in that die. And here we go. So that pattern paper I did get from that paper pack that I did show you. I cut that pattern paper down to 4 by 5 1/4, and I just showed you the base that I was going to use. This is also a Stamps of Life heart die that I got, and I cut out these dies here in 3 different colors: the white, the pink, and the red. I'm just showing you, I cut a whole bunch, I assembled them how I wanted to, and then when I liked the look, I left it there and put the press and seal down and adhered it to all of the hearts, and so it picks them all up in the same configuration. I need to learn to be more gentle because see how they just fell off, but yeah, so once I got the configuration, like I said, I used the press and seal, and then I was able to flip everything over. You'll see that I attached the glue, and then am able to adhere it to the base how I want it to come out. Anyway, I'm gonna just play some music. You guys can watch as I assemble this card. I'll be back.
Now what's the vibe? It's a party time. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Feeling the vibe, we are so lit. It's me and you now, let me smoke that vibe. Feeling so fly, wanna dance with you. Rhythm takes control, always on tonight. And you shine like gold, I can't get enough now. Let me come real close, baby strike a pose.
Okay, so I still not decided on which card to send, so I made a few other cards. So one of these cards I will be sending for the secret card swap. The other two I will be sending to the hosts to thank them for, putting this all together and then allowing us to have some fun and share our creativity. I hope you've gotten some inspiration from not only myself but also by visiting the other ladies. And so here's the next card. So this was the stripes cards that I talked about in the beginning of the video that I used scratch paper to make. I cut out a few of those hearts from that card die that you saw earlier from the Stamps of Life. And then once I get those all cut out here, I will be assembling them. So I will speed up the video, play some music so you can watch the process of these two cards come together. So these are the three cards I ended up with. And so, like I said, one's going for the swap, the other going for the host. I hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. Until my next video, shakas!